In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to all Facebook Marketplace buyers in one click. Whether you're dealing with multiple inquiries or managing a busy online business, this method will streamline your communications and save you valuable time. So let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Facebook, open up your browser, log into your account, and head over to the Facebook homepage. The familiar interface is your gateway to countless social and business interactions, and we're going to focus on the latter today, optimizing how you engage with potential buyers on Marketplace. Once you're there, locate and click on the icon for Facebook Marketplace. It's usually situated on your sidebar, and clicking it will direct you to a hub bustling with buying and selling activity. This is where millions of users, including yourself, transact and interact daily. Now that you're in, it's time to get down to business. Next, click on the buying section. This is your personal space within the marketplace where you manage your interactions and transactions. This section presents a list of your purchase history and potential buyer interactions. Today, our focus is to efficiently communicate with those who have shown interest in your products. The next step is crucial. Locate the three little dots next to your product listing. These dots represent a menu of options related to each of your postings. It's a subtle tool with powerful functionality, allowing you to manage buyer interactions with finesse. Click on these dots and you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on View Messages. This option will grant you access to the conversations you've had with interested buyers. It's like entering a virtual inbox, where you can view all the inquiries and interactions related to your listed products. Opening these messages provides clarity on who might need a follow-up message or on who's awaiting further details from you. With your messages in front of you, the next step is to click See More. This allows you to expand your view, seeing the complete list of conversations. It's essential because it ensures no potential buyer is overlooked and you can engage with all your audience simultaneously. By following these steps, you streamline the process of mass communication on Facebook Marketplace, ensuring no one is left out and that everyone gets the attention they deserve. Seamless and efficient messaging saves time and enhances your selling process, making it more effective and professional. And there you have it. You've not only learned how to send messages to all buyers with one efficient click, but you've also scaled up your business interaction skills. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Remember to stay organized, keep communication clear, and your Facebook Marketplace interactions will surely flourish.